Limit. Volcano burrito challenge. So many buns that it ain't that hot.
Can't stop moving your head.
Is that hot?
And it was like coming out like it was falling out.
Cody's used to it, dude.
Not yet.
No, Cody's used to hot stuff. His dad.
I like that hot. Right on, dude. Smiling, man.
Cody's like,
Smile, dog.
Cody,
Smile.
oh my God, it's like a
Flip them around.
I said smile.
Yeah, they're right, left,
I'm down, you man.
It's very hard to videotape this while I'm listening to other people's conversations.
Is that hot now?
That's
Hey, which one is this? What is this?
smile. That's what I like.
Jesse, I got that on.
That's really. I rep it all day, every day.
What? 3, 2,
All day, every day.
6.
I got that on video, Jess.
4.
4. Everybody, 3, 2, 6, 4.
Menor, can I get off at the exit? Yeah, I should.
I'll take that as a no.
Dang, Cody scarfed that down.
Cody's like, one bite right here.
Yeah, Cody's like, this is just a normal burrito.
I don't think.
Samson's like, oh my god.
Boom, son. Let's chill. What you talking about?
No, you know what competition this is? Volcano burrito competition?
I was wondering about
Right now, I can't drink anything.
Samson's freaking red.
Cody, is it a competition? You get the fastest. Lost my teeth, but this is so
The fastest.
Good job, Code.
Cody's like,
Cody's like, I want another one.
was there any more? Okay, hold it.
Samson can't take it.
Oh my God, it's so hot.
You gotta finish it. There's no stopping it.
You want me to get naked?
Levi.
I know.
I don't feel too fresh.
I'm 90 years old. My baby hurts.
No. I scored.
Your eyes are watering right now.
So are yours. I don't know what's going on. So are yours. They are dogs. So is my heart.
Either that or they're glazing over.
You want the rest of that? Like.
The seer doesn't take a drink the longest.
Wait, that's mine.
One off, that's mine. It's a good drink.
Dude, you taking like 6 things.
Oh, that's why I'm watching you. You can't drink it though. I want a shot.
Forfeit.
That's good. You have the last bit of it.
Can I get my drink? I'll get it too.
Hey, where's the drink? You want the last bit of that burrito? No.
Alright, and Samson loses.